Whew. No. Shit. Alright. Anyways, guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go ahead and try and replace my oil pan gasket. I noticed it's a little grungy down at the bottom, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that taken care of. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna get that taken care of. I'm gonna try using a Felpro gasket instead of like Honda Bonds. It's my first time doing a first time doing a Honda gasket. So let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so step one for changing your oil pan. Do you want to paint me like one of your French girls? I mean, jack the car up first. Yeah. Alright guys, so step two for changing your oil pan gasket. The car on jack stands, you know, safety. And then step three, get a friend because you're too fucking lazy to work on your own car. Say hi, Reek. Yeah, so I got Reek down here now because I'm getting my work done. Didn't come out. Alright, but yeah, as you guys see, Reek's under there now trying to get these bolts off. What are there? I think there's 14. No, 14. I think there's 14 bolts under. They're going to be 10 millimeters. You don't need a strong impact. I think they're only torqued down to 8 foot-pounds or 8 or 9 foot-pounds. But you're going to take them out all the way around the whole gasket. I guess the whole pan. Although I think I was leaking something in there.
Do you help? That's what she's going to put a little lower here.
I don't even think I just use this kind to take them all out. I can break it.
Oh yeah, I'm not taking it all the way out. Oh no! I fucking smashed my finger between the transmission.
Walking tips.
Ow! That good old sloppy jalopy right here. Damn, never mind.
All I usually do anything. I always falling over like limped it.
This shit just popped right the fuck off. Come on.
Can you get anything over there? I think I see over here. I was moving back. Nah, don't try to twist it. You gotta try to tap it in. Yeah, I think I can try to hammer here. Where you hammer? It might be nasty. Oh shit, we don't need big boy. We don't need big boy here. We need something small.
Alright guys, so that's all the RTV that was around the oil pan. We're gonna go and clean that off real quick. That's gonna be taken care of. Actually, I can see bits of like metal in there. But Reek got it off. I had to step away to take a work call. And Reek right now just cleaning up the gasket that was left over. Making sure I better look. What's going on down here? So you can see where all the RTV is just around the block.
I shit really right here.
Yeah, so you need it on that side because that's the timing side. You can see all around here. For our problem. Oh, I just stuck my hair in oil. Damn.
That ain't that much of that.
Damn. Hair went all in that oil pan. Oh, I'm gonna wash my hair tonight. Yeah, you have to scratch all that shit off if you can.
There'll be little cut spots I really can't get.
Alright guys, so we got the pan out. We're gonna go ahead and clean up all this gasket and shit, like this stuff. Yeah, let's let it come out. Then we're gonna go ahead and take this Velcro gasket, lay that on, and bolt it back up, and we'll be good to go. So I'll show you guys once we get that. Well, I'll show you guys once we get that shit cleaned up and bolt it back up to the car. That's the camera ain't even rolling yet.
That's like shit though. That's Wallow shit.
Alright, buddy, you just wanna go ahead and well shit, you can tell them, show them it's all done real quick while I start button up top.
Shit, you part of this shit now, you might as well get used to it.
Pretty much. Let me get back down here. Show you fellas. Show y'all fellas. Show y'all. I'm a flashlight. So pretty much we just took the bitch down, clean the base of it, got all the white stuff off of it, you know what I'm saying? Clean the oil pan inside of it, got all gunkage. Got all gunkage out of it. Yeah, put it back up there with a new gasket. So damn sure didn't have one. So y'all gonna put a gasket on? I mean, y'all gonna put an oil pan on? Make sure y'all got a gasket. Gotta make sure of that. Now, what we doing now? On wires. Plugging up.
Straight fucking I'm gonna take this shit off actually. I may have to. Unless I can turn it. So I was thinking push this under that. Yeah, I'm gonna do that right quick. I still gotta put the gauge on there too. Ain't no fucking rest for the wicked. Let me run this above. Cause this shit's supposed to be pointing down like this.
Mm-hmm. And the bracket, I don't mind the bracket right here.
Yeah, well, you can see where mine's at. It's supposed to be right there.
Mm-hmm.
But that part's deleted. So I gotta have this. Oh shit. I need to get the fucking radiator hose so I can bloop bloop. Alright guys, so thanks for watching the video. This was just me trying to have a little bit of fun. Basically I was just showing you guys how to do an oil pan gasket change. You don't have to do the oil pan gasket. You can do Honda Bond, most people do, but gasket's easier for me. Less time on the ground. I also have to try to do this while I'm working and stuff, so you know, whatever I can save time, I'll make it work. But I've got other videos coming up in the future, like I don't know if you guys can see, this is my little workshop area. My wing is actually right there. It's already been painted. It's waiting to go back on the car. Civics parts, well actually, hold on. Yeah, there. Coilovers for the Subaru. Coilovers for the Civic are under it. You know, fluids and all that good stuff. But I really do appreciate the love and support I'm getting from everybody. It's kind of helping me keep going and making these videos. So I guess just go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Keep moving forward.